mga batang 641. So before we start, let me introduce myself. I'm Jen Steven Argala, taking a Bachelor of Science in Criminology, fourth year student from BARP 04. So for today's video, let me guide you in our PCCR photography laboratory. So are you ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go!
Welcome to Forensic Photography, Capturing the Scene. In this presentation, we'll explore how crime scene photography plays a critical role in documenting evidence, preserving details, and supporting investigations. Forensic photography, also known as crime scene photography, is the art and science of capturing accurate image of a crime scene. These photos are not just pictures, they're evidence. Every angle, every detail, and every shot matters. For me, the most exciting part in forensic photography lab is their camera equipments. With the right equipments, such as high-resolution cameras, specialized lighting, and advanced image processing software, we can capture and analyze minute details that might otherwise be missed. This can be critical in identifying suspects, reconstructing crime scenes, and providing irrefutable evidence in court. Technical photography skills, understanding and applying the principles of composition, focus, exposure, color theory, and lighting, using advanced photography techniques for different types of evidence in various conditions. Forensic photography skills significantly enhance a criminology career by improving documentation, analysis, critical thinking, and communication of crime scene detail. Thank you for joining me. I hope you now see how important forensic photography is in investigations.